Now what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be adding rolls to backbeats, before backbeats or after backbeats. So what we can do is sustain a backbeat and give it a whole new feel. Now you can do this with all the grooves in all different styles, so you can take your favorite grooves and just add this to it and it gives it a whole new dimension. Let's have a look at this. Let's make a start and see how it works. So if we've got a backbeat, there's no sustain to it, or there is a sustain, but that's just the length of the drum. But we can add some texture and sustain and a bit of character by playing 16th notes before or after it. The first thing to do is where the backbeat is, either on the 2 or 4, is to play the 3/16ths after that and then double them up. So first let's play the 3/16ths after the backbeat, so it'll be 1, 2 E and 1, 2 E and now let's double them up, and that gives it a sustained feeling. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I'm just repeating the phrase there so you can hear it. Now let's play a really basic beat and add this on the 4th beat, on the downbeat of the 4th beat, which is a standard backbeat, and we're just going to put that sustain, the 3/16th notes doubled up and sort of buzzed to give it that lovely sustain feel. Here we go. Boom, ba, boom. You'll notice I bring my right hand down from the hi-hat to get that nice sustain. Okay, let's take this one, put it on the kit and speed it up a bit. This has got a great feel. Now the next way to use this technique is to put the buzz, which is that sustain, before the backbeat. So what we're going to do is we're going to be playing the first 2/16ths before the backbeat, and we're going to double them up and then buzz them to give them the sustain. So that would be 1, 2, 3. That's a singles. 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Now we double them up. Now we buzz them. Now let me play this as a little groove really slowly. I'll play the hi-hat on my shoulder again, bring my right hand down on the 4th beat for the accent with the little ramp up sort of build note that gives it that texture into the backbeat and makes it sound a little bit more exciting. Here we go. Boom, ba, boom, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba, boom. Right, let's take that now and play it a little bit faster. Boom. Okay, now you've got that idea and you can see that concept. Let's put it on the kit, speed it up a little bit again and see what this one sounds like. Now this next pattern is going to be in 6/8 or 12/8, depending how you count it. And we're going to, again, after the backbeat of the snare drum, we're going to sustain the notes. So there's going to be 4 sustained notes in 16ths that we double up. So let's play the basic groove and then I'll show you how to double it up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, I bring the right hand down. And now you double those notes up, keeping the backbeat. Boom. So now once you can do that, you speed it up a bit and you get this sort of feel. See, I'm pressing that note a bit and squeezing out that sustain out a bit. Let's play that a little bit quicker. Boom. 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 Again, let's put this on the kit and make the snare really buzz and give it that really nice sustain. Now this next pattern is again a 6 or 12/8 pattern, depending on how you feel it, but what we're going to do is we're going to play the 2/16ths before the backbeat to give this little build into the backbeat. So instead of the backbeat being boom, straight as normal, we play 2/16ths before, so it goes boom, and we double them up, boom. Now let me play this groove for you really slowly off the kit so you can hear it and internalize it, and then we'll speed it up and play it for you. Here we go. Boom, boom, ba, boom, boom, brat, boom, boom, ba, boom, boom, brat, boom. So you can see again what we're doing is we're just doubling up those notes into the snare drum, giving you that sound. Let's now play this one on the drums and see how this one sounds. Now I'm going to play a little groove where we're using this concept. I'm going to play it really nice and slowly off the kit. I'll sing it and play it, and then we'll put it on the kit. Here we go. Boom, boom, bat, boom, bat, boom, boom, bat, brat, boom, boom, bat, boom, bat, boom, boom, bat, brat. So you can see what it's doing is it's really giving you this little kick and this ramp into that last snare every 2 bars on the 4. Let's put this one on the kit. Got a really nice funky feel. Now again with this groove, this is a little bit more tricky. We're going to be playing a more interesting groove where the snare's not always on the 2 and 4, but then on certain backbeats we're going to be putting the sustain with those 16th notes that we double up, making them 32nd notes that we then buzz to give that lovely sustain on the snare drum after the backbeat and before the backbeat. So we're going to have this one where the backbeat would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So what you can see what we're doing is where the backbeat comes, we're playing the 16th notes afterwards and then we're doubling them up and really buzzing them to give them that sustain. And the other technique is to put the 2 16ths before the backbeat, we double them up and then buzz them. That gives you this sound. So where you'd normally have a backbeat 1, 2, 3, 4, we get 1, 2, 3, and it gives you that little ramp up into the backbeat, which gives it a kick and makes it sound a bit more exciting. So we've got a backbeat where we buzz the notes after the backbeat, and we've got a backbeat where we buzz the notes before. So we have these 2 sounds, and so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take this pattern really slowly and put the roll into the backbeat on the first bar and then after the backbeat on the second bar. And let's see how it makes this 1 bar loop sound like a really nice long 2 bar phrase. A really simple idea, but you can do this to all your grooves and it's really interesting. Here we go. Boom, ba, ba, boom, ra, boom, da, 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 doom, da, ba, da, da, doom. Let's now take this pattern and make it feel really funky on the kit. Now let's play a really simple sort of skiffle country pattern that's just right, left, with a snare drum on the 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a as your accent, sounding like this. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba. So it's a really simple little skiffle pattern that we play on the snare. But every 4th snare drum, the 2 16ths before, we're going to double up and sort of buzz them. So it really ramps up into the snare drum and really makes an accent out of that and a little feature. And that sounds like this. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba. Brrrra, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, brrrra, boom, ba. Okay, let's play it a little faster and I won't sing it so you can hear how it sounds. Now let me play the full pattern for you really slowly. I'm going to add a few little kick drums just to give it a bit more of a push. Internalize the sound off the kit and then we'll try it on the drums and see how it sounds. Let's try this one. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba. Boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba. Boom. Now once again with this video, all we're trying to do is give you a concept, take that concept and add it into beats and grooves you can already play. So take the backbeat with the roll afterwards and the backbeat with the roll into it and add it to all your favourite grooves and see what you can do with it. It'd be really kind of you as well if you could like and subscribe to my channel. I'd be most grateful so we can share this information, get it to some more people. I can hopefully make this channel grow a little bit more. And again, thank you so much for watching.